Whether you're new to writing formulas or you're a pro formula builder looking to save time, the Generate Formulas tool in Smartsheet allows you to simply describe your idea, and AI will write the formula for you directly in your sheet by referencing your existing columns. AI tools are easily accessible directly from any sheet in Smartsheet. Think of your formula like a recipe. Start by describing the ingredients you need, such as the references to other cells or columns within your sheet. Provide specific cooking directions, like add, subtract, or compare, and explain the final dish you hope to create, which could be the result you're expecting or the output value you're looking for. You can also leverage AI to set conditional formatting to help easily identify things like your project's health status based on a combination of task progress and due date. You can even use AI for more complex use cases, like evaluating data across an entire column. For example, say you need to calculate the sum of sale values for rows that match a certain condition. AI can quickly calculate this for you without any manual effort. All this and more will be possible as new capabilities are continually added to the AI Formulas tool. To stay up to date and learn more about this and other Smartsheet AI tools, visit smartsheet.com/AI.